Hello, welcome to my channel. So this right here is going to be the blue fairy look. This is my before and this is after. So shortly after this clip, we're going to get right into it. We're starting with my eyebrows. And I will put all of the items down below, but I just want y'all to watch and see kind of how I do everything, and I will come back every now and then within a video just to put my little 2 cents in to make sure I'm heard and make sure you don't have any questions or much to ask. And I hope this is very helpful for you. Enjoy. So the pencil I am using right here is a Covergirl's eyebrow pencil in the color black. Next, I will be using NYX Bare With Me concealer in the shade Sand. Now to start my eyeshadow, I will be using NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Then I'm going to start with the very brightest blue, the baby's blue. The next color I'm going in is a darker blue, just in my crease. I want to bring it out a little bit more, just to start setting like the little, well, I guess you could say background for when I cut the crease. Right here I will be using the same concealer to cut my crease. I just start by putting a little bit on my eyelid, looking up, and that right there will let me know how far up I should go with my crease. Once I'm finished cutting the crease, I do apply a little powder just to help it dry a little bit. So once I put the glitter on, it won't be so sticky and tacky. But of course, I lost the clip when I first started putting the glitter on, so I do apologize for that. But that is how that started to look. Then I go back into the palette with the darker blue again and go over my crease again just to touch it up a bit, to bring it out more. Now I will be priming my face with this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now I will begin to contour my face a little underneath the eyes, the chin area, down the ridge of my nose, my forehead, of course. Then I will be using my Maybelline's 30 Hour Foundation in the shade 355. I'll be using this one everywhere else. And then I will use my Beauty Blender. But I will spray my NYX Matte Finish Spray on it first. I don't know why this helps me, but this has been helping me. I've been doing this since I always sprayed my Beauty Blender with my whatever setting spray that I'm using, just to help pack in that makeup, pack it in there. Might as well. And look how that turned out. Look how it blended very well. Next, I will be going in with my e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick for my blush. I actually like this blush right here. It is very pigmented and it comes out very well once you blend it in. Looks very cute on me. On my bottom eyeliner, I will be using Maybelline's white gel pencil liner. Now it is time for my lip combo. So I will be using my NYX Buttergloss and also my Kiss Professional Lip Liner. And I want to say in the shade dark brown. Next, I will be using Covergirl's Full Lash Bloom Mascara. I won't be using it on my eyelashes. I will be using it on my eyebrows just to help bring out my eyebrow color a little bit more for me. Now we're going to get into my eyelashes. No, I am not going to lie. I was really struggling with these eyelashes because of this glue I was trying to use. However, you see, I made a couple of mistakes, but at the end, you will see them disappear because I will always correct my mistake. What time is it? Highlight time. So I will be using Revolution's Pro Ultimate Eye Look Palette, but I will be using the lighter highlight instead of the gold that I usually go with. Because, you know, the gold is always my go-to. But however, this one really pulled together. Now I'm going to go with my NYX spray. Finish out the look. Spray, spray, spray. Now it's time for that fan because you always need to stat it. Make sure it is good. Now this is the before. And this is the after. Now, of course, you're probably asking, why didn't she use any powder? Sometimes I use powder, sometimes I don't. Sometimes you really don't have to set it.